Turn your mini compact utility loader into a powerful cutting machine with the Brush Wolf 4200. The 4200 will operate on all mini skid loaders, including Ditch Witch, Toro, Dingo, Vermeer, and many more. You'll be surprised at the power of the 4200. With a 42-inch cutting diameter, it's perfect to clear trails and cut brush, even in tight spaces. Plus, the front and rear chain curtains reduce debris discharge and assist with mulching. Like all Brush Wolf products, the 4200 is made for long-lasting durability. Built with an impressive one-piece 10-gauge steel deck, 1-inch high-strength steel blade carrier bar, and quarter-inch wear-resistant washers, you can count on the 4200 to get the job done year after year. Our products will not only meet, but exceed your expectations. With the 4200, you'll get the quality, value, and performance you've come to expect from Brush Wolf. All Brush Wolf products are made in the USA and backed by our exclusive warranty. Brush Wolf is the leader of the pack any way you cut it. Visit brushwolf.com for more information.